Hola, Gabriela here. Be honest. Have you ever looked up Desde Que, or Desde Hace and still had no clue which one to use in real Spanish conversation? Well, imagine you're standing in the present and you look back at a specific moment, like a date, time, or day, and say this is when all started. That's desde. Desde ayer me duele la espalda. Trabajo aquí desde marzo. So instead of memorizing more Spanish grammar rules, let's picture the scenes where Spanish speakers naturally use each one. Let's say the thing that started everything isn't a date, it's an event with a verb. That's when we use desde que. You're saying, since this thing happened, this other thing is true. Desde que vi El Señor de los Anillos, me encanta Frodo. Desde que llegué a España, tomo mucho café. And finally, what if you don't want to point to when something started, but instead you want to talk about how long it's been going on? That's when we use desde hace. You are measuring the stretch of time. Desde hace 6 meses duermo mucho mejor. Desde hace 5 años hablo inglés. Facts. Start thinking in scenes instead of sentences. These expressions are not grammar, they're storytelling. You are describing when the action began, what caused it, or how long it's been flowing. And if this helped, give it a like and share it with another Spanish learner who's stuck in translation land. And of course, subscribe for more real-world Spanish with zero grammar headaches. But let's be real, you're not the only one struggling with this. These expressions make way more sense when you stop translating and start feeling what they actually do. My advice, try building a mental timeline. Once you see it, start playing with it and you'll stop mixing them up for good. But this is all for today. Ciao, ciao. Nos vemos la próxima.